This screencast is going to show you how to add an assistive touch feature that also provides a menu of custom features, and it helps to enable a little icon that can guide eyes as you're mirroring your iPad to an Apple TV, or if you're doing a screencast like this for your students, pretty helpful there as well. But in order to, and actually I want to show you on the menu, you can add all these different custom features, which I'll show you in a second, but it's pretty nice, especially the screenshot feature that you can add, because instead of doing a kind of hard press on the lock button and the home button at the same time, you can now just activate that little menu, tap screenshot, and it'll take a screenshot of whatever you're displaying. So it's just very accessible. And you can, I usually tuck it in the bottom left of my screen to kind of get it out of the way when I'm not using it. But in order to get to that and turn it on, you want to go to your settings app and click on general. And then over under the general menu, you'll click on accessibility. You'll scroll down a little to the interaction section and find assistive touch. And this is what you're going to want to turn on. So you can see mine's already toggled on, which you'll want to do. And then to customize the menu, so that'll show up, that'll bring up the icon itself. But to customize the menu so that you can use some of the features, you want to click on Customize Top Level Menu right below it. And initially you'll probably see about 6 icons that you can adjust. So you can add or subtract the icons with with the plus and minus sign here. And let's say I wanted to add another one, then I can go and click on that little plus sign, and now I'll get the menu for all of the different options. So maybe I want to add lock rotation to be able to do that very quickly. But there's a lot of different features that just become quickly accessible to you. So reach out with any questions. It's pretty nice. Then when you go back to the home screen, you do have this little guy kind of hanging out wherever you want it to. And if you're putting it in the middle of the screen and you let go, it'll pin right to the side. So it'll kind of remove itself from the main, from your main view. But pretty beneficial. And if you ever want to turn it off, you can just go right back into settings and turn off assistive touch, and that icon will go away. So reach out with any questions or if you're having any issues, and hopefully we'll be able to help.